Greetings and salutations, everyone. My name is Byron Smith. I'm on a little YouTube channel called Learn About Construction, and this is a special collaboration with Construct Connect. But what I want to talk to today is specifically estimators. And in particular, if you're struggling with getting your takeoff done in a timely fashion. And I'm going to show you right now how quickly you can get things started with Takeoff Boost and into your takeoff. This is actually a office plaza in Houston, Texas. Let's take a look at the general notes. I found one right here. It says all wall partitions are F2 unless noted otherwise. So that tells us that all of these wall partitions that we see here that don't have a tag by it, they don't have a symbol like this, that means that it is an F2 type of wall. Your wall types are defined by this hexagon in this set of drawings. B3 there again, Q2, those are all wall types. Normally I would have to go through the process now of creating conditions for each one of these wall types and then go about taking them off. But watch this. I pull up Takeoff Boost now, and I'm going to go directly to walls, which is highlighted. So it's going to select that. Now it's looking for a symbol found on the floor plan. It's selected a diamond, but in this case, these diamonds are actually for windows. So I'm going to choose hexagon like it has here. That is how our walls are identified. And we're going to do run Takeoff Boost. We'll just wait a couple of seconds and we'll come back when it's done. All right. So now here we have a takeoff. Now we don't just wrap this up and send it on. We want to take a closer look to see how it did with recognizing things here. And so this is telling me that there's a combination of what could be storefront windows, like right here. So right here, these are all windows. Storefront glass is what it's called. So we're going to delete that. So now I think we're going somewhere. So let's click on this. These should now be our F2 wall type. So I can change that right here because it just titled it as wall because it had no tag by it. But this is now our F2 type of wall. All right, if we need to adjust and modify some things, we can do that right here. Clean some things up if we need to. All right, so now let's catch the M types. Real quick, do a scan and see which ones we catch. Reassign to M type. That surely hasn't been 30 minutes or 45 minutes. So whether you're a quick estimator when it comes to quantity takeoff, or if you take your time with it, I would say that using Takeoff Boost is definitely an advantage because this has done a lot of the heavy lifting for me. Stay tuned for new on-screen Takeoff Boost video updates coming at you soon.